It is very possible for you to know how to state the Boyle's law as well as the Charles law, but still find it very difficult in answering this kind of question. But in the next 2 minutes, I'll be showing you the very simple way you can use in answering this certain kind of question. So it says that the equation, we have P, V as well as T. This is A, B and C to be Boyle's law. So we are told to find the value of A, B and C. So you need to know that P here represents pressure, V represents volume, and then T represents temperature. So for us to get the value of A, B and C, we need to state Boyle's law. So what is Boyle's law? Boyle's law states that the volume of a given mass of a gas is inversely proportional to its pressure, provided the temperature remains constant. Mathematically, we have volume to be inversely proportional to its pressure, provided that the temperature remains constant. So T is constant. Because for us to get A, B and C, we need to know the mathematical expression. So this has been gotten. So V now, this will change to equal sign as well as K. Then we have over P. The K here now will be PV. If you create a cross multiplied, K will give us P multiplied by V. P here is the pressure, V is the volume, and we are being told that T is constant. So what will be the value of A, the value of B, the value of C? So P now, for P to remain P, as we've done here, we said K equals to PV. For this P now to be P, that means the index needs to be 1. That is, P raised by 1 will give us P. Imagine I have 2 raised by 1, this will give us 2. So that means for 2 to remain 2, the index or the power needs to be 1. So that is what we have here. We said K equals to PV. For P to remain P, the index needs to be 1. And for V to remain V, the index here needs to be 1. So what about the temperature? Whenever we have a constant, whenever you have been told that a given variable now is constant, that means the variable needs to be 1. I'm not talking about the index now. If you are told that A is constant, that means A is 1. Here we are told that T is constant, so that means T needs to be 1. It has to be 1. So what will make T to be 1? The index needs to be 0. If I have T raised by 0 now, that will give us 1. As we all know that any T raised by 0 has its value to be 1. T raised by 0, it is 1. So for me now, A is 1, B is 1, and then C is 0. Because A represents the index of P. For this, which is B, B represents the index of V, which is what you have here. And then T has its index to be 0, which is C. So C equals to 0. So the right answer then should be option B. A is 1, B is 1, and then C is 0. So let's do for Charles' law. What is Charles' law? Charles' law states that the volume of a given mass of a gas is directly proportional to its temperature, provided the pressure remains constant. Mathematically, the volume of a given mass of a gas is directly proportional to its temperature, provided the pressure remains constant. So pressure there is a constant value. So let's express this. This will be V equals to KT. So looking for K, divide both sides by T. So we have K to be V over T. But I have to change this to be in linear form. I don't want it to be in the form of fraction. So this will be V. If this Tn comes that where we have v, we are going to have it to be t raised to the power minus 1. No, in mathematics, when you have 1 over a, 1 over a means a raised to the power minus 1. If I have 1 over 10, this means 10 raised to the power minus 1. So here I have over t. This will give us t raised to the power minus 1. So automatically the index or the power of t here is minus 1. What will be the index of v? Because v needs to be v, then the index needs to be 1. And we are told that the pressure is constant. And I said whenever you have a variable to be constant, that means the value needs to be 1. So what will make pressure to be 1? That is P raised to the power 0. So here now I'm going to have P VT. So for this to remain 1, that is 0. Here it will be 1, and then here will be what? Minus 1. So A equals to 0, B equals to 1, and then C equals to minus 1. So once you know how to state the Boyle's law as well as the JAMB law, and then you already know the mathematical expression, you will surely get the value for A, B, and C. I hope you enjoyed the class. If surely you do, please do well to like, to share, and then to subscribe to get more videos. Thank you very much.